Okay, this is I Knew It, I Knew You. So this is Taylor Swift, produced by Jack Antonoff, classic combination. Yeah, we're in the key of C. First thing to know about is this bass line. So it's quite hard to play on the piano. It's more of an electric bass kind of part normally. But it's that pattern of short, long, short, long, short, long, short. So it's short, long, short, long, short. And you're accenting the shorts. So you're doing. And that's all the way through. So quite hard to play, but that's really crucial to getting to the feel of this song. So yeah, we're in the key of C. There's a little intro with the harmonica and the bass. It's like. Just C chord, and then the verse starts. So it's just going C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, F, then C over E, so C in the right hand over E, F, G, so it's like C, stumbling around, so C, B flat with a C in it still, stumbling around, then F over A to A, and that's where you get the put us back to life, D minor, G. So just go over that verse again. So it's C, C, F, C over E, F, G, C, B flat, F over A, D minor, G, and then it doesn't feel like it, but that's actually the chorus there. So that verse is only 12 bars. It's quite an unusual structure. So end of that first verse, 12 bars, you get into I remembered I love you. It's just C and F. And you get the little, that's kind of the horn line, like the little saxophone part. So it's E, G, D, E, C. Feels like there should be one more, but there's not. It's just 6 bars the chorus. You want one more, but it's just straight into verse 2. It creates a really good feeling of momentum into verse 2. Good songwriting technique by the pros. So into verse 2. Exactly the same as verse 1. So C over E, F, G, C, B flat with a C on top, F over A, back to life, D minor, all you said was G, I remember I knew you. Back to the chorus. So just going back and forth between C and F. There's actually 8 bars that time, and then we go to a little bridge. So C, F, and then at the end of the bridge there, you get that little. So it's like C, F, so E, D, C, A. It's like a C over E, but the melody line in that little horn line is a D, so I kind of play it. Then it steps up to an F, then to a G, and then we're really big, so. And it's kind of like the end of a verse. It's kind of like the last 6 bars of a verse. So. like the end of the verse. B flat, F over A. G. And then it's like a chorus. So this is chorus 3, but the chords are slightly different. So all you said was I remembered I love you. It steps down. So C, stepping down to like G over B, I guess. A minor, back to G over B. So it's like, I remembered I love you. F, C over E, D minor. And then you're just going to repeat that. And it's been a while. F, C over E, D minor. So it does that 3 times. This is like the third chorus, but a little bit different, kind of like a third chorus with an ending. But I knew you. And then when you're ready, you go back to I knew you. Back to the C and the F. I knew you. And then it finishes on the C. So quite a bit going on there. Let me know if any of that's not clear in the comments, and I can try and help you out. But yeah, I really like that song. I think it's fantastic, and hopefully that helped you to play it.